Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy GMC's 88 to 98 K1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 3. With an air hammer or similar tool, remove the 8 rivets retaining your crossmember. Followed by the smaller support crossmembers. Step 4. Insert the new crossmember. While using the rivet holes for alignment assistance. With the included hardware, bolt down the crossmember using a 13mm and 15mm socket. Finally, resecure your support crossmembers. And you're done.